Hello friends, today we had problem with this gas and I was trying to fix it. So let's see how to fix this gas. This is a LG gas. So let's start. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this knob first out and see like how it looks. So this is how you just pull it and it will come out. So if we see like it will have this kind of hole, then this actually gets into this rod. So the problem we had today was this particular rod was actually loose. So I had fixed it. How I have fixed it, let me show you. So I'll show you on the other side. So if you see it, the other side I had even taken out this other one as well. Now if you see like how dirty it is from the internal parts, right, because of the oil and we use the gas very heavily, right? So this one is actually very dirty. So now I'm going to clean it and fix it again. And here it has another 2 slot to take out this nuts or screws. So I actually removed those as well. So if you remove it, it comes out like this, and this is also kind of bit dirty from inside. And other thing, this rod becomes loose. So what happens is there are 2 screws here. So what we need to do is we need to basically take the screws out, or if it is loose we just need to tighten it. Oh sorry, here we just need to tighten it and then this rod will become fixed. Now I'm going to clean this side of the area as well and wash these knobs so that it becomes clean and becomes smooth. So let's do it. So now you can see I have cleaned it and removed all the oil spots. So now it has become clean and dry. So now I'm gonna fix these parts into this socket again. So here it has 2 rods like this, the pointers, which gets into this hole. So I'll first put it here. Yeah. Okay, yeah. And now what I'll do is I'll basically screw this and fit in. So yeah, here. Okay, this one is done. I'll do the other one as well. So both the screws are tight. Now if you see, we have washed it, so this has also become very clean now. So I'll fix this as well. Just put it here. Yeah, and see, now it has become smooth. Now you can see it has started working properly, both sides. So yeah, this is how you fix the knob, and I'll fix the other one as well. Thank you.